Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Roku indoor camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, you can just try these simple easy fixes that I'm about to show you in this video. So first of all, you need to start with making changes into your router's settings. You just have to make sure that the security type is WPA2 and it is not WPA3 only. You need to make sure that the Wi-Fi name is visible. You need to also make sure that the MAC filtering or device limits are enabled. Also ensure that your internet is stable and it is not overloaded with too many devices. Restart your router after making these changes and then you can set up the process again. Also, you can basically look for the camera connection, whether it is connecting to 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz. If it is connecting to 5 gigahertz, you need to change this particular setting as well. So after changing it or connecting it to 2.4 gigahertz network, simply open your Roku Home application. Inside it, look for the option of the plus icon or add device. Then inside this particular section, simply look for your camera and select your indoor camera. After selecting your indoor camera, you can simply start the setup process. Now, even after making these changes to your router's settings, the issue still persists. You can just simply press and hold the reset button of your camera. After that, you just have to wait for 10 to 15 seconds until the status light flashes. After that, you need to again follow the same applications step. Go to your smart home application and then you can start the whole setup again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.